It is possible in ARCHLine.XP 2025 to graphically set the top and bottom boundary of the view. Create a cutaway 3D view and set its area on the floor plan. Click on the name of the view and select the Edit Section Top Bound option. You can graphically set the top boundary of the 3D model. It is possible to set boundary mid-story, but you can use reference points to set its height too. This is a useful feature if you want to quickly change the 3D representation of the building or access hidden parts of the 3D model. If you want to reach another part of the building, you can move the boundary anytime. If you want to set the original top boundary height, activate the command again and move the boundary plane to the top. Create a section view of the building. When the section is activated, you can access the most common comments from the dashboard. The Edit Section Top Bound can be found in the dashboard or by clicking on the view's name. Activate the command and set a new top and bottom boundary for the section view. The third button in this row in the dashboard changes the viewing direction of the section.